Ductless systems aren't just versatile, they're also incredibly efficient. With inverter compressor technology, ductless systems heat and cool at variable speeds, meaning they don't have just two settings, on and off. Instead, they work like a car's cruise control, modulating to maintain temperature settings while only using the energy that's needed, helping you to both save energy and stay comfortable. Ductless systems are also easy for a trained Carrier expert to install, requiring just a small hole in your wall through which a pipe carries refrigerant and power from your outdoor unit to your unit indoors. And with the ability to use longer lines than many other systems, your outdoor compressor can be positioned farther from the areas where you spend the most time, allowing for quiet comfort control and more installation options. Brought to you by the inventors of modern air conditioning, Carrier Ductless Heating and Cooling is a highly efficient way to expand your home comfort, no matter the challenges your space presents. Whatever your needs, wherever your space, however you use it. To find out how you can make ductless work for you, contact your local Carrier dealer.